Hello and welcome. I'm at Brecht Caravan in Heilbronn, Germany, and in front of me I've got a Burstner Limited T726G. For this vehicle you're looking at around €100,000 approximately. It very much depends on the equipment level. Starting price is around 73,000 or thereabouts. Anyway, so I'm going to close the door behind me because it's cold out, and this will give better opportunity to have a look at this vehicle. So I set the bed up at the back to show you what it looks like with the German layout actually put in place. Now you've got steps to actually go there, but if you don't want it to be like this, that's easily remedied. You take this thing out, which is a bit more difficult with one hand, and this slides back in there like that, and then you've got two singles. You've also got these steps leading up. On either side under the bed we will find the wardrobe, and on this side we will find a second wardrobe. You can actually even turn on the heating from in bed. Here we will find another wardrobe there, storage above. This is the fridge, storage above, and in here there is also a very large toilet, sink, washroom, shower. I think that's a particularly attractive one there. Right, so here we will find, in the kitchen there are some drawers as you'd expect, and here there are three hubs. There you go. And in here we will find the sink, storage all the way, well, no, yeah, so it is all the way around, isn't it? But one thing that stands out to me is the light. I really do appreciate the roof lights in a vehicle. I'll show you what this looks like. Now there is something here for holding glasses and the like. I thought that was a bit passé, but maybe it's coming back into fashion, I don't know. The largish table and seating all around. Fiat Ducato with an automatic gear shift. Now it's also got a large garage at the back, but I set myself a target of 3 minutes, so you want to see more, then click on the link below.